Welcome to the Makerspace. This is where I host my STEAM City class. STEAM City is an elective that I started last year at the beginning of the academic school year. So my goal for STEAM City was for students who are interested in a potential future in construction work, electrician work, engineering, anything and everything to do with STEAM, so science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. I have a level 1 class and a level 2 class. My level 1 STEAM City students, my goal for them is to learn the principles of engineering, robotics, and transportation. We learn how to build scale model buildings, scale model cities, and learn the basics of block coding using robots. That is 100% their own imagination. They can choose their own name, their theme, and build around what a city would need ideally. My STEAM 2 kids, they have taken STEAM 1 and they are now in the process of making an individual scale model building.
Okay, let me show you what a day in the life of this city would look like. Let's say that you walk out of your house and you're inside your car and you're driving all the way down to the bank, and after your long shift you're like, oh, I'm hungry. So you're gonna go drive down directly to the Aces Tacos. After that, you maybe I need a little bit of a workout. Go over here and you get a nice workout. I've learned how to geometry and coding and how to use robotics in different ways that you would need inside of a city.
Coding was like one of our most challenging things ever, because it was the robots and with the computers and just figuring out, measuring the streets, the distance and everything like that. That was definitely the hardest part, but using the coding, the robots, definitely helped with our technology wise.
I learned about a lot of architectural practices and stuff. Through this project, I've learned what goes into making a dark ride, how you see at Disneyland.
My goal for this is to have our future construction workers, electricians, but also the kids who are going to be working in engineering, in the sciences and the maths, to all be in the same classroom and feel like they are extremely successful by the end of the trimester. And I'm happy to say that I have students that have gone on to high school now after taking my STEAM class and have already started off at the construction or electrician or engineering geared programs at their high schools.